Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can upload your work in Google Classroom. So once you get into the Google Classroom, so for example this is a course or rather a unit known as Mechanical Engineering Science. So this is how it will look like. So it will have three panels. So one we have stream. So this is where you can get the communication about the unit or the course and anything else that you want to communicate to your lecturer. And then when you move to classwork, this is where now you can get all the assignments, the notes, and the tutorials that your lecturer is uploading to you. Now, when you want to upload maybe or submit a work that you had done, so let's say, for example, you want to upload a cut. So I'll take this example here. So this is a cut that I have done and I want to submit it. So you come to this part called, okay, this is the part that you're going to find the cut that you are given by your lecturer. So you come to view assignment. So once you click view assignment, you will be able to get all the information about the card, and now you can be able to upload it. So for today I'm going to show you how you're going to submit your work through Google Classroom. So on the top right corner there is somewhere written your work, okay, and at the bottom there is also a button which tells you to add or create, then mark as done. So today I'm going to show you how you can upload your work once you are done. Okay, so you click this button known as add or create. So once you click that button, there is a down list that will appear on your screen. So you'll either get that document that you've already worked on. So for this case, I would like you to take or rather scan your work and then save it somewhere within your phone or your laptop, so that when you come to uploading it, you go to this button called add or create. So once you click add or create, there is options. There are options where you can find your file. So for this case, I'm going to use file. So you're going to upload a file that you've already created and it is somewhere within your computer or your phone. So there are four options where you can get your file. So you can get it under recent documents, under upload, my drive, and start document. So in this case, I'm going to get it from upload. So I'm going to browse um, and see where I kept my document or I stored my document in the computer. So like for this case, I'm going to upload my card. So it is in Word format. So I'll upload my card and say open. So once it has loaded, now it will appear here. So you go back to the top right end, okay, and then at the bottom of this button named add or create, there is turn in. So once you click turn in, there is a window which will prompt you or rather ask you turn in your work. Do you want to turn in your work? So once you have confirmed that this is the document, you can now say turn in. Okay. Now it will have turned in successfully and your lecturer will now be able to see your work on his side and mark it. So let's say now you had made a mistake in your work, or rather you had uploaded a document which is not what you had done, then you can go here, you can click here written and submit, and now it will not appear on the lecturer's side. So that is how you can upload or submit your work through Google Classroom.